Why is a person sad? What's the reason a person is sad? Sadness comes of months of a person's beginning the bebris. The seeds are going out. The seeds comes from the mind. Once it goes for waste, you're killing your mind. Months of your mind is of months of kill. The Rebbe says, the Kutamara Kedekal of Simon that people get crazy for this. Months of it goes out, zero levatolem, the seeds go out from her. The mind is you complete, you don't have to take drugs, you don't have to do only you sin. You become a complete crazy person. Is angry, is always angry. The Rebbe says we find on the sin of Eir ve'oinon. You all know what's Eir ve'oinon. He didn't want the woman should get pregnant, so the seeds went out. So then Hashem killed him. Why do such a thing? So it's written, Vayi Eir Ra bein Hashem. So the Rebbe asks, why it's written Ra? You have to be Rosh, you are Rosh. You have your wife, you could have a child, you're going and put the seeds out. So why it's not written Rosh, why it's written Ra? The teretz from this is that a person, since with this head, Gamma brings, the person is a bad person, is miserable, as sad, and he will always try to do bad things to other ones. You see people enjoy, this person goes, puts his food out, and he fails. And he giggles and laughs. What's that? He fell. Or somebody wants to sit down, pulls the chair on them, and they fall and hurt themselves. And they laugh. What's that? This person is a miserable person. He cannot take the other one is good, so he has to do bad. Now people, however you will find a person, a bad person, I didn't do you anything. What do you want from me? I didn't do anything. Push, or do you bad. This person is full of sin. Full of sin. This is the first sign of a person. Is full of sin when he has no feeling for the other one. Such a person will never give you tzedakah, will never help you out, because he is miserable, he is bitter, and is going around with thoughts, I wish I died, I don't want to live in this world. So he hates himself, and he hates people. If a person hates himself, automatically he hates different people. If I'm not good, you definitely not good. And he lives his life, a miserable life. With such a person, a girl will never take a person to miserable, because she's also miserable. I want somebody should make me happy. You, instead of you should make me happy, you make me more miserable. Bye, I don't need it. Girl wants to, that nature in a girl, nature in a woman, they're always sad. Things that they cannot say public, like boys here, that pulls them down, always pulls them down. Every moment they get pulled down. One has to comfort them, give them compliments, and strengthen them. Then such a thing, such a shidduch will succeed very much. The woman has the support of the husband, but the husband always comforted. She should be how bad she is, but he should be from his side, he should be always good. Such a shidduch will succeed. A person wants shalom bayis, the first thing you should see, you should be nice to your wife. Wife could be mean, a mean person. You try to be good to her. You see, with good you cannot lose. A person don't have shalom bayis, they are full of them. Every day, couples come fighting, and cats and dogs, cats and mice, just fighting. Where it comes, people have no, a person has no seichel. Why he has no seichel? He has no sense. Why? He was full of sin. Full of sin as an angry person and a bad person. Now, first has to know he has his wife. You know, he was a single person, a bocher. He was sinning. Nobody knew, Hashem knew, the tzaddik knew. You could see on your forehead what you did. And he could, by your tongue, with you speaking, he could see how you deepen and the more. You did bad things. You went where you shouldn't go. You see, finally got married. You have to jump for joy. No, people, if he's miserable, he put this all sadness on his wife. A wife you don't need a lot. She should be against you. The minute you knock her down, you're not good, you didn't clean, you didn't cook. Everybody has a whole list on his wife. Always the wife fault. What you want? The wife will show you, I will show you who I am. Now she will let out all frustration on you. You're lazy, you're good for nothing, you're not bringing panose, you're bombing around, and like this, it's starting to fight, and you get again. People are happy, fine, got rid of this marshals. Now what's now? First of all, you have children, how could you fight? How could you divorce? I always say that Moral brings, if a person divorces, the Mizbeach cries. So I'm asking why? When you came into the Mikdash or the Mishkan, the first thing was a kier. Kier was a place where the Kahanim was washing the hands and the feet. Then they had the Mizbeach, the Choishes, the Kapper. Then inside was the Mizbeach for the gold, there was the menorah, there was the shulchan, then there was the paroiches, inside was the oven and the gruve. Why, if all the Kirei Mishkan is the Mizbeach crying? A person who was divorced is dying, the Mizbeach crying. Why not the menorah? Why not the shulchan? Why not the kier? The kier has to be crying. Because the Rashi brings, the kier was made from all the mirrors that every woman has a mirror in the pocketbook. Every woman has. A woman cannot be without a mirror. It's the nature of a woman. Always has to look in the mirror. You looked yourself before you went out. You was looking yourself all kind of ways. You pay lipstick, you fix your eyes, you fix everything. And goes out, look. You think your nose would move the inch. Well, because some our women has always has to look on. So, Mother says that this was the biggest madrege for the women. They made themselves nice, the husband should come to them, and that's what the Klal Soil was multiplied himself in Mitzrayim. Then it wasn't a mirror, the glass was a mirror for the kappa. Now when Hashem asked, you should bring everything, whoever has something, Parshas Bo, bring something to build a Mishkan. So every woman bought her mirror. Moshe Rabbeinu didn't want to take it. Take it. Women always look at themselves. Hashem said, no, take it because this mirror made that she should be beautiful and her husband should want to be with her. And for this, they made the kier. So the kier would be have to cry. We're going to. Why the Mizbeach?